Hi everyone, so today this video I will show you there are multiple positions opened in Ericsson. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. So this is like Ericsson official career page. Let's discuss about the requirement process and job details. This position is for software developer, automation and AI. So the location also they mentioned here like Noida, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore and Gurgaon. These are like location like this position is like available now. So let's like discuss about few more details. So this is the job ID for this particular position. So they mention like about this opportunity. So they mention like this role offers you to contribute like development intelligent automated customer solution during the phase of like software development lifecycle, and also like it will execute detail like design the automation AI driven application and technical architecture based on the system analytics specification. So what they are expecting like the candidate need to develop and integrate software components with the emphasis of automation and AI capabilities. The candidate need to design and implement automation framework, script for testing and deployment pipelines, and then the candidate need to contribute AI ML component development and also like model integration with the application, and he needs to like component and system testing with the focus of like automation testing scenarios. And here main point they mention like create and develop automation assets and AI driven solution. And you have to also like collaborate with your senior developer to optimize the automation like framework, automation workflow and AI implementation also required. Post that like document automation process code and best practices for team knowledge also sharing required. So what is the skill they are expecting the candidate needs to be like have that one. So candidate need to like know like Python programming language for automation and scripting process. Automation like framework like test automation, process automation and RPA tool also candidate need to aware about this one. As you know like this is AI, so CI/CD pipeline development also required for Git and Jenkins, Sonar and Helm also required. So you have to at least idea about the front end technology, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React and similar framework. AI basic knowledge you have like at least machine learning concept and model integration, how to do that one, that you have to at least idea about that one. So here they mention like security reliability principle understanding also required, as you are joining as a fresher and you have to explore more about the technology. So every corporate like expecting like agile methodology, that is like scrum and kanban practices also required. You are joining as a fresher, so you must be have a like problem solving mindset also required and strong communication skill also required. So every corporate like most of the corporate are using like Linux and Unix environment, so some basic fundamental knowledge you must have that one. Willingness to learn emerging technology, so if you want to got any more chance in the company, you have to explore more about that one. So here like some company details like why joining Ericsson and like what happens like once you apply that one. These are like some basic understanding, kindly go through this one. So here like let me go through few more points. So company and benefits. So if you join this company, what all benefits you will get? So they mention like purpose, vision and values you will get. Diversity, inclusion like you will learn from there. Ericsson career like hiring process, preparation, interview also you will get. Work life balance also best here. Life at Ericsson, employee benefits also there. Life at Ericsson like be part of the future Ericsson. So these are like some like basic benefit you will get once you join this company. So if you want to apply for this position, so you just need to click like apply now button. So it will redirecting to one new page. So here you can see like this is like redirecting to one career company career page. This is the official page only. So here like the basic understanding you have to fill like your resume, you have to fill email ID and these are like some basic information you have to fill that one. I hope like this video is helpful for you guys. Like if you think this video is helpful or if you have any query and concern, kindly comment in the comment box. Once I'm available, I'll reply for your message. Thank you so much like those who are watching my video. If you think this video is helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.